Them don't burn now for inside the village for Kambe subdivision country people them now for Donga Mantum for Northwest region. Toritu for this afternoon we go take una enter for place where them call them say great support where we get at least 24,000 people them. Water it don't been a big trouble so they right for palace. Chief Etina Monono when I be the chief for inside great support he no get water for drink inside Toritu for this afternoon country people them. We go take una talk on top this worker for vex with some work people them for company where the local lights they be get for inside Bafusam. Now so too we go take una turn back from Kambe. Now for that side where divisional officers SF it make open eye for population. So they catch some people them human right people they don't already start for talk. Say they can away with the DO it take and talk for population. No be na the best way be that for seekers waiting e go instead make population e go surely the height even information when it be consigned with the figure for talk for them. We go look wetin wey corona to talk this afternoon country people them. Newspaper e dey for we before and sabi said say Professor Tuwadera he don't chop e chair like the new president for Central African Republic. He say security first. He go try for make a place quiet and national man-to-man talk inside Central Africa. He go call am so that peace he turn back inside the town where kene he dey. All the one them so we go bring am this afternoon country people them big people them talk. He tell we say pikin forgot he no fit talk lie. I say pikin forgot he no fit talk lie. Ote Samuel wey he dey look we for big Mbandi. Now SSM send we big people them talk this afternoon. We return back small time. Good afternoon, country people them. Number 2 time we will meet up this Wednesday, number 31 day inside the moon for March. The last day we will go meet up for this side, so for this moon for March we don't turn it finish. Victory for this afternoon we go take una start now from Northwest region, Donga Mantum inside B village. Now for the country people them we at the Tori way meet away this morning time. Now say fire it burn inside some people them house for that side, so for B village as we Tori enter for we ear. Tori the enter we send as a woman where it the fry in Makala when from there where the fire it starts before it start enter a burn house them with the here say at least 2,000 the born for inside B village for that side, so for Donga Mantum na from Kambe subdivision and as well na the C population na village automatical army rescue e no be fit for the day. So all the kind of countryside they be sabi na for carry ground with hoe or even dig soccer for plenty. Then they use them for lost the fire, but sabi say as well they be the turn for see as well they go lost that fire with the fire it be the burn the go. Sabi say village for B plenty of the house them two way they dey na house where they don't make out this red poto so automatic plus inside the house una sabi say they use na konga them where they don't use them for do all things. So konga and calabot na almost the same people them. So as well the fire the cars go una see am say the people themselves they struggle so till last they no be get no other way for do anything na so to the fire it burn. So as well na the see am na at least 2 houses where they burn na parties where a house it burn where e no comot one thing for outside. The only thing that they come out for outside well na go see am small time na just some small mattress and some small thing them some chair them population the village people them for be them to the come out for see the kind of thing then say they no be fit for understand. So now the thing that way they come out for inside the house now them that una see am no buy small mattress and under bed they no be fit for come out the bed. So now all the thing them that where they come out inside that 2 house them where they born for B village Nkambe subdivision Donga Mantum Northwest region for Cameroon. Now for day with this fire SSF a cash where it don't make pass just now e no get no place for she don for inside no person e no die. Now plenty than that where they be cut and say me fire to no burn am. Now the only thing that way they save am for that fire plenty even as say plenty no be don strong e go help for make turning plenty una understand. So they be cut that plenty them say make the fire no come pass e burn the plenty as well the population e fight for lost fire where e no dey. So they only turn up they see as we fire a burn house, but they no be left that planting them. Say make the fire a burn am as we tori enter for inside we hear. And country people them, we go remain for that side. So from Cambe, where they burn some Catholic school from Cambe. Divisional officer from Cambe, where go for day for inside the village, where they burn this a school. Instead for go talk, try for see as we go talk with the population. Divisional officer from Cambe, instead call all people them, where they deserve fuel, funge, inside the place. Say may they come out for outside. Say na them, they sell that fuel for that boy them, where they can use them for burn that school for inside the village. So one after another, if be fair talk, say all people them where they deserve fuel, may they come out. 3 of them they come out where they no be point them. After the OSSF, it take time. It start worker one place to another. It point people then come out and for outside. Say na them. They sabi the boy them where they can buy that funge for them. Say na them SSF they make them say may they can burn that school. So just now he say he go use them like example. Nothing that way human right people them they don't already start for talk. They say the team where they deal he do am he no correct for go the peak population talk for them say na them the self fuel na them the promote say may they the burn place and we sabi say even if na the thing where the pass the people they sell their fuel na for make money and most of the time even sometimes wait where they deal in the talk no be na they read things where it pass maybe they can buy fuel for them they no sabi wait where they go do with the fuel so all people them they don't talk say wait where they deal from Cambe he do am he no correct at all for catch people then lock am for sick say it is suspect say na them they sell fuel for people them where they can burn a school for that side so for inside some village under Cambe sub division for Donga Mantum. Now for Northwest region country people them make we hear with radio talk concerning the school where they burn am.
Una know where to church we go through to build this school. A structure like this is not found in 2 or 3 villages for the whole of the subdivision. Una get am sit on a burner. Okay, now school this way. Una know where to church we go through to build this school.
And just for sabi country people them on top this palava for people the way they self well do it talk plenty as we be the blame na them say na them they self well for people the way they can burn school.
Who is self petrol among them?
How do you fire the self petrol?
Who?
If I were not.
And who again? Come for front here. And who again? But you come for front. They buy petrol from una yesterday. This petrol they burn this school, they buy am for una. Now who again is self petrol? What people for here? If you hide a tissue out for the crowd, you are in serious trouble. All petrol sellers come in front here. This petrol they burn this school, they buy am for them. 2 Njari boy they buy petrol for una yesterday. And una know very well which when Ndage and the other people they do in Njari to keep them. Una know. They will come up and buy una petrol. Una say the other day we get village. They can't turn the thing una know very well say that bad chicken them. Una dey hide them. When they come burn school now come so that.
And just sabi as so don't talk plenty human right people that don't talk say the kind of way take enter for the matter e no correct and plenty of that people that they deserve well and even some woman where they talk say pikin in the whole gone where the deal talk say sabi all them they carry them go for sick say waiting say they sell fuel and they no sabi self whether the people that they can buy fuel they be get plan for burn school or they be wise and do something their own work now for sell fuel so plenty they don't talk say this thing e no correct at all for the way they deal e take am now concerning the woman wey e pikin e the whole gone and some man wey dey talk say e be don marry some one of the boy dem make we hear wetin wey deal from Cambe talk am.
Wey Amber marry e pikin who say dey Ndage marry na who pikin dey yarn na who say Ndage mami dey Ndage be don take you go. Come. What's your opinion?
I don't know me the
You dey ever know?
No, talk for you for them.
No, I don't
Yes, I don't know me the place where they.
Una pikin dey can't turn for village. Una dey hide am. No be so.
No, we talk say she see you.
No, you no fit ever talk. I know the number of times when you see her pikin, you dey hide am. You dey hear? You dey hear? The pain wey her pikin dey cause am, you go suffer am. You dey hear me? Yes, you. Na your hand work this all with the other one there. Who's that? Who's that fine phone then?
Na me this, sir.
Yes. Who's that your girl pikin there?
E dey for my house na so.
That girl can see.
No, I no dey even see that since that time when we comot go. Till today I no have seen that girl. As I go carry report, I take my pikin back since that day till today. Na me I no even try take pikin dey go for school.
Na your pikin be second woman we first.
My pikin.
Yeah, that girl get two woman.
He be na second woman. The first woman we don go with am.
We don't go with am.
They go where na Nigeria.
Who's the first woman party? Where be house for Gotom now?
Yeah, Gotom.
Who's that? He dey Gotom.
Yes, divisional officer from Camberley talk say go show mommy for sake say picking the whole gun well. Now just some of the thing them with the human right people they don't talk say it no normal at all for the way they deal. It take the matter for sake say if he instead make other people them turn up against and continue for the whole gun way correct when a country it fights on top that chapter. So we go left that one. We go take una one time enter for great support now for Boyam and the population now one of the biggest quarter of the village with at least 24,000 people them for inside Chief Palace SF as soon as Chief Etina Monono be the talk with for we countryman with Toriman for that side Jato Derrick it is so we even inside Palace water no dey come out at all as we Chief talk say no even sabi the last time we water he come out inside a tap and so to the population for great support them dey suffer plenty for sake of this water we dey and people they ask how a whole boya wey get mountain wey normal get for being a town wey water if for dey plenty people dem dey also continue for cry water today. Chief Etina Monono wey be the chief sese for inside great support e dey try for talk say wetin say e dey beg say make elite dem like Senator Mbela Moki Charles, Honorable Esembe Malumba, even the vice president or vice speaker for National Assembly Lifaka make all dem the check sense for see wetin they go do for Fako division for see as we water e no go dey big problem again and they talk to say wetin them when the regional council go enter for office trong they go fight for say one of the big thing them where they go do am for people them for Fako na this problem for water wey e don been a big problem for them. Make we hear wetin wey His Majesty Chief Etina Monono e talk concerning this problem for water for Derrick Jato.
Actually those ones that they Yaoundé then they Douala and cancel we may look how we fit try for solve this water problem where they suffer from here. I don't know whether Yaoundé then get the same problem, but for Boya it's very bad. For my people then for support and for Moliko and everywhere, may they know say we the chiefs will they try our best. Will they try our best. Then the water company especially, the water company then get to do they work with them, they get people they get bills where they know water may come up. People they get bills. I get bill here 15, 16, 20,000. Where most of the time water no dey for Palace. But if you no pay, they'll threaten you say they can't cut water. Which is wrong. I know say as we no get water here for mountain are the same, for Kupe Maninguba, the same, Indian and Mondemba, Meme, all with division they suffer the same problem. So make the water company stand up and make sure say this problem of water then solve them immediately.
And Sabi say for Sika this problem for water for great support, Chief Etina Monono, he get this strong message for company where the local water for town.
Company now they work. If they no see they no fit work, make them give up, make government take another company for can help with the poor the people of Faku and the whole of Southwest region.
Very good. Say if they're no fit for do their work, make them find another company for replace them. As we to really enter for inside we here. We go take on a one time enter for West region, work people them for company where they give light for country. For that side for West, they be there for outside. When you see this close, you go sabi say most of the work where they do, now them they day outside for look Yameta, then they take number, then they can't give you bill. But just now they say they don't work for plenty years, they never pay them. New person, it don't take office and he don't forget them completely. The one say he don't work for 5 years, money never enter from Nkwa. This woman too, he no fit work on top Okada, he no fit right. So he pay Okada each month at least 5,000. Money to never enter for Nkwa. On top that one, money where they be get for the Giam for inside social insurance, where it forbid their pension when they go for pension. Then too, that one, he never come on. Just some of the thing that where he make am. Fanga Bernard, when I be the big man for company where they look all light for West and Northwest, he come out for beg these boys them or the people there they work for outside. Say na them behind for company where they look all light. So make them know the for them hands so plenty. Say that the problem where they don't talk palava for money. They go look inside as way they go fit for pay them so that they fit continue for do their work. Say make they sabi say if they start for Tronhate, if they come out, say they know the work again. Now so to the company where the local lights, it go hear bad for outside. Make we hear one of them. A talk for microphone for Leclerc Chakem.
Solve our problem for CMPS. Where if they not solve them, we will not go work this month. Reading game for start effectively on the 4th. If they not solve this problem, we will need to go fee. And no man no go work. No man no go enter the field for work. They don't manipulate me for long. And the grade for stop today. Now why that way we would outside? Even now, better would die.
Yes, and they don't talk number 4 day for April. They get for turn back again for start for read meter. If money no enter kwa, they no go come out. Now, another thing, when I see this mommy too, where it make open eye for some sonny man, where he don't come for come cut the light. Mommy who call us, he say, Papa, calm down for that po. That po so we did. You want call light? Una they give me light how many time? Mami who collapse, he make a person for a company they do lights. He de can down nayo. Mami they serious with the collapse, he no one hear anything. Mami talk say that their thing they do and so they know the give light all time. Cut light anytime. Then they make unto their thing that is spoil for us. Mami say make you no just try climb on top that post say one cut light. He say make it calm down. Make it calm down. Mami take collapse, he dey for a corner. He dey see say he calm down so that he no go cut the light. So now just the thing that way the pass when country, when even big mommy they say they don't tire some kind of way, they go find another way where they fit come out on top this trouble. Make we talk just now. The Workaway Minister for Public Service and Administrative Reforms, Joseph Anderson Lay, he make come for Douala here for Tuesday. As I talk for now, Joseph Anderson Lay, he don't the ton and the big message the Trump talk where the person for outside. Now say civil servant them people that they use of common office say that they want go Yawende for go open or go follow up document. That time it don't pass. They don't open center then just now for all region where they fish done inside the region. Then they do all things. They say even this exam for public service so that they ever make picking them for travel go Yawende for can do answer question for oral. That one too it don't pass. They say you fish done. They do video conference or video call where you go fit for do all that oral question for side where you should don't write your exam. So Minister Joseph Anderson Lay he try for come out some of the things them where he be done she done for Yawende for inside the office. So he don't talk to for Governor Samuel Jodoneva Dibois. Any civil servant where he come out, Douala say they go follow Doki for Yawende for office. Big pom. After we finish talk that one for inside hall, he go for the new office for administrative reforms for inside Douala here. Sabi say since work people them for Joseph Lay for Douala, they be the use now some one of the building for inside Governor for Littoral Region in office. But just now the new officer way Joseph Anderson Lay, Minister for Public Service and Administrative Reforms, he go open am and he don't talk. Say may you work people they use that fine house better way as way he open am on Tuesday before he turn back for inside Yawende country people them. So just now the new office for public service no be na for town we dey na right for Yasa. Now for day we day, so it means say you go travel. Yes, even if you no go travel, go Douala, Yawende. You go travel, even if you no travel, come on for Douala, go for Yawende. You go travel from town like Aqua, you go for Yasa for go do anything where concern public service and administrative reform. Now for day way the new office a day, and now for day way Oga Joseph Anderson Lay, he opened the new door for his office work people them. on Tuesday as we tori enter for inside we hear. Just now, chapter for corona, latest update we get am for John Hopkins University for this number 31 day for March. In the top for we, since corona come, 128,224,509 people they don't get the sick, 72,739,272 people that already well, 2,803,776 people that don't die for sicker corona since we enter inside the whole world. Governor for Southwest, if you don't talk say waiting, all deal them for Southwest, they must to come out 3 hours inside 8 hours for sensitize people them for their own zone them chapter for this corona and for use face mask. Ali Anubu DO for Kumbawan Ibide market this afternoon and waka for DO now for look and for see whether the Binet people them and wonder whether they enter inside a Binet place Kumba big market they get Oga Esebe Moses Sesewe na the mayor for Kumbawan to Ibide for back DO Ali Anubu as well the turn for ensure say all man he get a face mask for him up and for say people that they respect all the other way governor he don't pass am on top this coronavirus. Make we wait to DO for Kumbawan Ali Anubu he talk for Zaibwe.
The coronavirus going there now so to be very deadly, very dangerous. So everybody must wear mask. I work at the first now for sensitize people. And it be obligatory every day. I will be on the field. I'll be on the route with the mayor to make sure everybody go wear mask. But be happy to say 90% of the population of Kumbawan subdivision they don't understand they wear mask. The few where they need the thing say coronavirus na lie, make they wear mask even na lie.
Is DO for Kumbawan and a mayor Eseme Moses where they outside for chapter for sensitize and for CC people they wear their corona masks them. Now for Ivory Coast as one I don't see them on Tuesday 120 new cases where they confirm and say they get corona 547 people them well 3 people them die and for on top sick bed just now 3,458 people there they on top sick bed for Ivory Coast for this corona palaba since corona enter for Ivory Coast 43,542 people they don't catch the sick and if we come back for Ivory Coast I never finish on top of that chapter we get 36,000 or 39,842 people where they don't well and 242 people them they don't already die for Ivory Coast since we corona he enter for day and for inside other country we'll go enter just now Buhari a country Nigeria 121 new cases already confirmed for Tuesday say they get corona since corona enter Nigeria 162,762 people they already got catch the sick 151,532 people they already well and 2,056 people they don't die since corona he enter for inside Nigeria. South Africa as we tori enter for we hear concerning this corona on a Tuesday na 756 new cases where they confirm after we they make tests for South Africa but sabi say since corona enter for South Africa na 1,546,735 people they don't already catch the sick 1,473,588 people they don't well and 52,788 people they don't die since corona it enter South Africa country people them. Just now we go talk sports and for sports side Ndamba sabi say we man Ndamba team where they be the play their last accommod they be get their last commode in for these qualifiers for play for African Nations Cup even as we Cameroon now them go host on a Tuesday they be play Ndamba with Rwanda now for that side so for inside the Japoma where the Ndamba be pass manager maybe will let this photo for the waka they did them plenty no be na one we get just for Sabise then Dambam he end and not for on top that chapter and Sabise the coach for inside Rwanda he don't talk say Cameroon make pacha say they do test for corona they talk say he play against a corona we no be get and referee too he no be blow ball match and no be blow the match fine as with the coach for Rwanda Vincent Machimi he talk after win Dambam it don't finish. And just now, other countries that be qualified. Yesterday, we get Ethiopia, we get even Guinea-Bissau, we get another country like Mauritania, and we get other country like Ethiopia. So I don't talk. We qualified to yesterday. Guinea-Bissau, we all them they qualify on Tuesday for evening time. So now the new country, then that way they don't join Cameroon just now for play for Inside Nations Cup. The total country then just now where they don't qualify for Cameroon. Why would you wait? The last people them we get Cameroon, we now them go host Senegal, Algeria, Mali, Tunisia, Burkina Faso, Guinea, Comoros, Egypt, Gabon, Gambia, Ghana, Guinea-Bissau, Equatorial Guinea, Zambia, Morocco, Ivory Coast, Nigeria, Malawi, Mauritania, Ethiopia, Guinea-Bissau, and Cape Verde. Now the latest that plus Sudan where they already qualify. So he left one country for make 24. Sabi say Cameroon, he gets the latest. They go get 24 teams them for this African Nations Cup where go start for late January, it finish for early February. And the corner side for Tori where happen for place where they call them Ivory Coast. Now referee where he blow the Ivory Coast versus Ethiopia. They calling Charles Bulu. He come out for Ghana. Referee collapse for field and na player then say the holy with the match. It be day 3-1. So the referee they only carry on top stretcher. They take him come out for outside. After we referee he collapse for that side. So for inside Ivory Coast. So the match end for number 30 minutes where Ivory Coast beat Ethiopia already. It lead them 3-1. And this afternoon the update for that referee we don't get as so now go see as small time con the people them. Now Charles Bulu that he say they can't pay. He dey for top hospital bed for that side. So for inside Ivory Coast as so the talk. So no nothing for people them for fear. The referee he dey fine as we wanna don't see him. We go take on a one-time talk say waiting. Professor Touadera, he don't chop chair like a new president for that side. So for Central African Republic, country people them and just so sabi as well don't talk. It be then and Gandowe plenty people them. They be go there and the thing be happen for inside National Assembly for Central African Republic. As well he talk, he don't talk say this palava for security will be one big problem for inside a Central African Republic. It go happen man to man talk for see as we dey so they go fit for solve that problem and he don't promise roads, light, water and other thing. Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute na he be Shidon on top chair when Kunkuma be get for Shidon and we get ambassador them for different country for Central Africa then too where then say they be dey and sabi say they big time for inside in Gando na time we dey so Professor Touadera he climb on top at stage for talk say waiting he swear say anything we Lord talk am for Central African Republic he go do am and they put even a big chain when that chain where the show say na he be the number one man when we consign army work for inside Central African Republic. Now the chain that way he give power like the number one man for army. Then after that one too the flag where they give him for Professor Touadera. Now the other end to that for the Ngando where he be passed for inside Central African Republic on Tuesday. So now so it don't pass and Manadimebo turn back on top the burial for Alim Buka when at the first president for inside the constitutional for the regional council for Gadwa where he be die now on Tuesday where the bury is sabi say the we Muslim brother they get their contribution. So now Tuesday where they bury Alim Buka where be the president for the regional council for that side. So for Mara so that will be passed before big people then for inside Gadwa on Tuesday as where they bury and sabi say be then a big man for custom too before he one die and he be there too now strong man inside party we get fire for middle CPDM. Inside the Sun newspaper, you go read Tori consign people there they left work and the lazy civil servant them Oga Joseph they don't want them. Now they walk away be making for Southwest. You go read other Tori there with the Sun newspaper. It come out on this morning, this afternoon inside the newspaper. So the Sun newspaper it dey outside. Plenty to read them. Una fit for read them for them. But the main one now the Tori where it consign civil servant people them. And maybe we go enter for another newspaper Guardian Post. It talk say Pa Frundi he don't come out and he don't talk some kind of conny talk where he concern Honorable Jean-Michel Ninche and Honorable O.C. Joshua. Now which kind conny talk where John Frundi come out talk? You go read them for the Guardian Post. You go read chapter 2 for land problem for Boya and Konak, the people them for corruption. It dey for the Guardian Post. And another newspaper where we go look for inside na advocate where they tell we say fire don't make them plenty people them. They no get house just now. They beg say make people them can't help them. You go read Tori to concern Tumfoni Kohale, another Musanga again on top 8 and last newspaper. Now municipal update special one as we president for Central African Republic. He don't talk Natengi. Thank you plenty from Kunkuma for the better thing we don't do and the support. And you go reach challenge to the wait the new president for Central African Republic. Now they told them that for this afternoon, country people them inside Tori for this afternoon. Dallas Batel Chana Naibi put camera from before. Big thank you for Derek and Ledu Pone with the touch machine to make you hear my voice. I see me for outside. Malice, Naidi make I look me for Facebook Live and after for even for YouTube. Manadin, it be day 2 for backside. If Papa got the grade on Thursday, on a whole tight.